Meaning of Gene Kelly.
Gene Kelly.
Gene Kelly.
Gene Kelly.
Gene Kelly. Gene Kelly was an American actor, dancer, choreographer, and director who was best known for his energetic and athletic dancing style. He rose to fame during the golden age of Hollywood in the 1940s and 1950s, starring in musical films such as Singin' in the Rain and An American in Paris. With his natural athleticism, innovative choreography, and magnetic stage presence, Kelly helped to revolutionize the movie musical and is remembered as one of the most influential figures in the history of dance on film. Today, he is recognized as an icon of American cinema and a true legend of the entertainment industry.